Students, as I said, we have created a folder. So do you know what is the name of the folder I created in my system? Yes, that's good. I created a folder with my name, right? And I asked you to create a folder. If you have a computer in your home, I asked you to create a folder in your name. Did you create a folder? Yes, that's good. Okay. So let us see the folder where it is. Okay. First we will see the folder, then we will move on to MS Word. Got it? Okay, fine. So first where we have to go is go to File Explorer. Okay. Then in the navigation pane, go to your folder or drive. Okay. So I have a folder in my drive, data drive 1. So double click on it. Then I have a folder here. I created a folder here. So this is my folder. Okay. So double click on it. Here one test.docx. This is what we have created last week. Yes, do you remember? That's good. Okay, let it be as it is. I'm closing this. Okay, now let me go to MS Word. Okay, let me go to MS Word. For that, start button. Okay, search button and then MS Word. If you start typing, you will get the best match. So select your Microsoft Word. Okay, I have selected Microsoft Word over here. So we have a document here. So what we are going to do, we can do any work whatever we need. Okay. Here now we are going to insert a picture. We are going to insert a picture. So I'm going to teach you how to insert a picture and how many ways we can insert a picture. Got it? Okay. So first step to insert a picture is, first, you have to click on the place where you want to insert a picture. See the cursor, it's blinking at the top of this Word document page, right? The first line itself it is clicking. But I want the picture here down. So what I have to do, keep the cursor where you want, just to make a click on it. Do you see the cursor, it's here? So I want to add a picture here. So first you should click on the place where you want to add a picture. Got it? Okay, I clicked on it. Okay, so even I want to move using a space bar, I'm moving it. Then you should go to Insert tab. Okay, you can see the second tab name, it's Insert. Click on Insert tab and you can see many groups are here like pages, tables, illustrations, links, header and footer, text, symbols. These are the group names. Okay, you have to select either one group. So you want to, which group you have to select, it depends upon you. So what I want to do, I want to insert a picture. So where is picture? You can see picture here. Which is under which group? See my cursor, which is under illustrations. Which is under illustrations group. Got it? So you can see picture, clip art. So you can insert a picture in actually two methods, okay, with the picture itself. So let's see one by one. So click here. When you click on the pictures, you can just see, okay, you can see one dialog box appears. Name of the dialog box is Insert Pictures. What is the name of the dialog box? It is called Insert Pictures. Okay, the name of the dialog box is Insert Pictures. Then here in this Insert Pictures, you have to select the pictures. You have to select the pictures which are in the computer by default. Okay, by default when you buy the computer, some pictures will be loaded with this computer. Those pictures you can take it. Got it? Okay, so for that, where you have to go is, you have to click on left pan, you have to see. Okay, so first you have to navigate to the drive or folder. Okay, so actually which is normally the pictures will be in pictures folder. Click on pictures. When you click on pictures, I am already in pictures. That is what, nothing, no changes happen. Here you can see the pictures over here. Okay, you can choose any picture as you like. You can choose any picture as you like. So let me choose this flower bunch. Click here and click on Insert button. See the flower bunch, it's come here. Has come here. Got it? Clear? Okay. So now in this flower bunch, would you like to add one more picture? right? So what is the first step you have to do? You have to select the place where you want to add a picture. Okay, you have to select the place where you want to add a picture. Okay, so now first click on the place where you want to add a picture. Now I want to add a picture at the right side. See, I'm just clicking here I want to add, so you can see my cursor here. Okay, then go to which tab we have to go? Insert tab. Okay, and do you remember which group we have to go? That's good. Illustrations. Everyone repeat. Illustrations. What is the group name? Illustrations. Lovely, say. Yes, illustrations. Okay. So we have to go to illustrations group. Then click on picture. Picture icon. So when you click on a picture icon, what do you see? What appears? Who remembers? One box appears, right? So do you know what is the name of the box? Actually, you have to say, call it as dialog box. Have to call it as dialog box. So who knows the name of the dialog box? The same name. What is this? Picture. What we are going to do? We are going to insert a picture. So name of the dialog box is insert picture. So click here. You can see insert picture dialog box appears. Okay. So select pictures, and you can select any picture you want. Okay, so I do have a Taj Mahal, so let me take this Taj Mahal. Okay, I have taken this Taj Mahal. Got it? So we have two pictures now. What I'm going to do is, one picture looks too big in size and another picture it's too smaller in size, right? So once you got the picture, you can just play with the picture as you like. Even you can change the color also, you can change the shape, everything, color, everything. Okay, so you can give a border for this image, or if you want to cut out the part of the image also, you can cut everything, you can do it. Okay, let's see how to do it. Now let me click on this flower bunch. Okay, using a scroll bar you can scroll and see the full picture. Okay, okay, so here is a picture. So in this picture, I feel that this picture looks too big in size, bigger in size. So what I have to do, I have to make it smaller in size. So to make smaller in size, please look at this picture. Okay, so this has a square box covered on all four sides, lines covered, right? Which is covered with the box. Uh, in this lines, each line you can see three circles and squares. See, one circle is here, one square is here, another circle, and here square, corner circle, square, circle, here square. Okay, so all the corners you can see a circle, and at the middle you can see squares, right? So they are called as resizing handles. They are called as resizing handles. Handle. Okay, what is mean by handle? When you drive a cycle, so you have a handlebar, right? In whatever direction you move, in the same direction the cycle goes. Similarly, you can drag this handles. What handles I said? Resizing handles. Okay. See, you just keep the cursor in the resizing handle. Now look at the cursor. How does it looks like? Double-headed arrow. You can see one arrow up, one arrow down, right? Double-headed arrow. So click and drag it. See, now see it has become smaller in size. So resizing handles means they are helping us to change the size of the image. If you want to make it bigger, drag it outside. Now I drag it inside, so which has become smaller in size. If you want to make it bigger in size, drag it outside. Okay, see, any side you can do it. Okay, it doesn't matter. You can just using the scroll bar, you can see how much bigger it has. Now it is now. Got it? So dash helps us to change the size of the pictures. Handles. What handles they are called as? Resizing handles. Okay, that's good. They are called as resizing handles. Got it? Okay. So you want to make it bigger or smaller? Which one you like? Bigger? That's good. Okay, so let it be bigger as you like. And let's see this Taj Mahal. Okay, so can we resize this Taj Mahal also, change the size of the picture? Yes or no? Yes, with the help of, how can I change the size of the picture? Who can tell the answer? Dash helps us to change the size of the picture. That's good. Resizing handles. Okay, so any direction you can just click. See, keep the cursor, double-headed arrow, you can just see to it. Okay, now do you see one green color icon? It's there at the top. Even if I click here also, you can see green color. Here also you can see green color, right? So when I keep the cursor on a green color, what do you see? One circle with the arrow mark, right? Let me click and drag and see what happens. Okay, what happens? Which changes the direction. Okay, if you want to make it upside down also, you can just put it. See, you can do changes as you like. Okay, again, if you want to put it back, just click and drag. That's enough. Okay, so this is a way we can just move the picture. All right, so now I have taught you how to insert a picture and change the size of the picture. Did you get my point? Did you all know how to do it? Everyone should work on your computer. Those who have a computer, try the same. Okay, so I have taught you how to insert a picture and change the size. Okay, so let's move on to the next topic. So I'm going to teach you another method how to add a picture in another way. Okay, so for that, let me take this document 2. Okay, so go to document 2, and here I'm going to add a picture, okay, in another way. So first what I have to do, as I said, for the first one, first click on the place where you want to add a picture. I want to add a picture here. So do you see the cursor? It's here blinking. So I want to add a picture there. Okay, so then the steps are same as we did before only. Okay, go to insert tab, then illustrations group, click on picture icon. So again, who remembers when I click on picture icon, what happens? Who remembers the answer? I'm going to click this picture icon. When I click, what will happen next? Yes, a dialog box appears. What is the name of the dialog box? Insert picture. See, I clicked on it. You can see insert picture dialog box appears. Okay, so by default, which displays the pictures which are in this computer in picture folder, right? But I don't want any of these picture now because I have a own picture. I have created it. Do you remember? I have created a house, right? I want to bring that beautiful house into my Word document. Okay, so which one we can take? So shall I take the house which I have? So the computer, so the file it's which I saved it. Okay, for that you have to go to the location where you saved it. I saved it in data drive 1, the Sara folder, and under Mangai I have saved it. I still remember the name I have given its house. Yes, this is the one. I want to open this. So select it and then click on insert button. Do you see the house is open with a full screen, right? Again, it's a full screen. So what I have to do, I want to make it smaller in size. So use the resizing handles, which occupy the whole window, right? So that's not good. So using a resizing handles, I'm just changing the size. Okay. Okay, so this is what maximum I can do. If I make it again smaller, then it will become a too small house. Okay, so this is a way we can bring a house from the file. Okay, from file. The first type, the first one here, see, these pictures we have taken with the help of picture files which are in the computer by default. And the second one, the house I have taken from the file which I saved it earlier. Got it? So these are the two ways we can open a picture in the computer, in the Microsoft Word document. Got it, students? That's good. And we can also add border to this picture. Okay, we can also add border to this picture. Now see, where is my cursor? My cursor, it's outside the picture, right? So it is not inside the picture. Do you see? It is outside. I can type something. Flower bench. I typed something, right? So when the cursor is outside, look at the tabs. How many tabs are here? 1, 2, page layout 3, references 4, mailings 5, review 6, view 7. Total 7 tabs are here, right? See, when I click on this flower, see the flower it's clicked. Now how many, you can see one more tab it's added. Do you see format? Yes. So when you click on a flower, another tab is getting added with the name format. So what do you know what is meant by formatting? Okay, I'll tell you. Formatting means making it attractive. Making it attractive. Say for example, you're sleeping at night. When you wake up in the morning, how do you look like? Does your home will be haired properly, or it will be like this? All directions you can see, and face will be very dull, very oily, right? So what do? You brush your teeth, wash your face, comb your hair, or sometimes you take bath, apply powder, and you make beautiful by yourself, right? So how you are making yourself attractive? By taking bath with a soap and then powder, then whatever you want you will apply and you will make you beautiful. Similarly, the Word document, we can make it attractive with the help of this format tab. Attractive in the sense we can give a colorful border. Okay, if you want you can just give a frame, everything. Just let's see how to do it. Okay, so this is a picture I have selected. So for this picture it looks too bigger. Okay, so if I make any changes now it won't be properly visible for you. So let me change its size smaller, little bit smaller. Yes, I think it is okay. Is this okay, students? Yes? Okay, fine. So I have selected this picture and the format tab is active now. So if it is not active, click on it. Okay. So you can see format tab is active. You can see adjust. The group names first you have to see. Okay. Adjust, picture styles, arrange, size. Okay. So let me see, teach you picture style. Let me choose any one of them. Do you see how does it looks like? Would you be able to capture the changes, students? That's good. Click on the arrow mark. You can see the changes. See how the direction is getting changed. Okay, this is fine. So everything you can just try one by one and you can keep as you like. Okay. So let me take this one. Okay, I'm planning to take this one, or we will take this file itself with a frame. Okay. So picture styles, I changed it. And you can add a picture border with what is the group name? Picture styles. You can see picture border arrow. Click here and you can choose any color as you like. Okay. See, when I keep the cursor on yellow color, you can see the frame is yellow in color. Would you like to keep it in yellow color? No, right? Okay, so green. Green is somewhat good because flowers and then the leaves are green in color, right? So that's fine. This is also good. Blue, it's my favorite color. Okay. This one also good. Blue is my favorite color, but it doesn't suit for this flower bench, so I'm not choosing this. I feel this green it's okay. So you can give a picture border. Okay. And picture shape. See, actually many things are not given in the text, but I'm just telling you can also try by your end. Okay, you can try each and every options in the format. Change a picture, reset, compress, brightness, contract, recolor, means changing the color. Everything you try by one. Okay, trial and error method. Don't stick with the method what I'm teaching. Got it, students? Okay. shape, if you want to change the shape as any shape like here, see how does it looks like? Very bad, right? Okay, even I don't like it. Square itself I changed. Okay, then likewise you can just try, especially in the text it is given for border. Okay, so for how to change the border of the picture, click on the picture, go to format tab, picture styles group, then picture border arrow. Do you see a small arrow? Click here. Okay, and which shows the colors. You can choose any color as you like. Okay, and you can go forward. Okay, the picture's border will be changed into an attractive color which you have selected. And try with the picture effect also. Okay, shadow, if you want a shadow, give a shadow effect. You can give reflection. Okay, everything you can give. Do you see the reflection? It's here. Okay, it's your choice. You can try everything. All right, students. Okay, so this is the way we add a border to the picture. Got it? Fine. The next one is, see, as I said, you can change the color of the picture, reset picture, change a picture, compress, you can change the brightness, contrast, everything with the help of this format tab. Okay, so just to select the picture, go to format tab and adjust group. You have to take this adjust group. Okay, so if you take this adjust group, which has 6 options. Okay, brightness, if you click on the brightness, you can see currently which is in 0%. That's a normal. See what happens when it is -10. Do you like to see -20? This is -30 and this is -40, right? So see how does it looks like. And if you want to just put it in +10, too bright, right? We can't see this. Even if the brightness goes too much also, it doesn't give a good look. And if it goes less, minus also, in a negative part also, which doesn't looks good. But with the 0%, it looks normal. But this is according to your need, you have to change it. Okay, so right now we are not going to make any editing task. We are just, I'm teaching, right? So for that I'm just keeping it at 10%. Let me put it into -10%. What I'm trying to say is, according to your need, you can change the brightness of the image. Okay, you can change the brightness of the image. Then let's see what is contrast. See, contrast, again it is 0%, that is normal. When I put -10 here, -20, -30, -40, this is. When I go in upward direction, +10, +20, 30, 40. Okay, this brightness and contrast, they should have some correlation. Then only you will get a good clarity on the picture. Okay, so here I am choosing +10. Okay, you can choose anything as you like, it doesn't matter. Okay, then recolor. So what is mean by recolor? Changing the color of the image. Click here. So do you want a black and white appearance? Then choose this one. See how does it looks like. This is the way the editing happens. Okay, one single picture we can edit as we like. See how does it looks like. Got it? Okay, so which one you like to go for? See, I would like to go for this black and white. Okay, so let's take this black and white. Just I have changed the color. Okay, I have changed the color of the picture. From which group we have done all these changes? Keep it in mind, it is adjust group. It is adjust group. Okay, so one question, from which group we can change the border of this picture? That's good, from the picture styles group. Okay, then change a picture. No, we are not going to change the picture. Reset picture. No, we are also not going to reset in a sense, put it back to the original condition how we have taken. Okay, so everything it's gone, so it is again in the reset option. Reset means it will bring it back to the original picture what we have done. Okay, and if you want to change the picture, the box appears. You can just go to pictures and you can choose any picture, you can choose it. Okay, so let me take a butterfly. Okay, a red rose with a butterfly. I'm changing the picture. See, the picture is changed with the help of change picture option from the adjust group. Okay, okay, so now here what I'm going to do is, I need only this butterfly. I do not want the remaining part. I don't want this flower. I need only butterfly. So that also we can do. Okay. We can remove unwanted portion of an image. We can remove unwanted portion of an image with the help of crop tool. The help of crop tool. So which tool is useful to remove the unwanted portion of an image? Crop tool. Okay, first select the picture, then you will get a format tab. Okay, in the format tab you have a group name, size. You have a group with the name size. Do you see crop icon? Just click on it. After clicking, do you see the change in the picture? All the corners you can see the L shape lines are here, and centers one single line, sleeping line, right? So using this crop buttons, you can just click and drag and remove the unwanted portion. Okay, see, I want the butterfly alone. So now I'm from top to bottom, I'm dragging. Okay. Again, I can remove this. Got it? So we have removed the unwanted portion of an image with the help of crop tool. Got it? Okay. Students, now I have written some text about this Taj Mahal. Okay, you can see the picture is here and the text is here. Got it? Now what I want to is, as it is given in the newspaper, I want the text behind this picture. Behind this picture. Okay. So let's see whether it is possible. Either this text should go here or the picture should come here. Shall we try? Let me try clicking on the picture. Let me click and drag. Just see, I'm just clicking and dragging. Is it possible for me to bring it to the sea? I want to keep it here. Am I able to do? No, right? See, you can see the text are collapsed, right? So the picture it's not moving. You know why is it so? Yes, it is because the picture and text, it is with inline text. It is with inline text. I'll show you where it is. Just click on the picture, okay? Then go to Format tab, and in the Format tab, if you see the position, you can see in line with text. Okay. Currently, the picture it's with in line with text. Did you understand what I'm saying? Okay, that's the reason we are not able to move the picture around the text. Okay, so we have to change it with word text wrapping. With text wrapping. So the text I want to change it. So you can see the images. So many images are here, right? You can just click on the one. This is see the picture. It's at the top and the sentences are here. And this is at the center and both side the sentences. The text is here. This is right side picture and sentence. This is right middle, this is right bottom. Likewise, you can see the preview here. So if you choose any one of these, then you will be able to move the text as well as the picture as you like. Got it? But with the inline text, you won't be able to move the text. See again, let me click on inline text. Okay. So I'm just clicking and dragging. I want to put it in the middle. See, am I able to? No, right? So because it is in line with the text. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to select the text wrapping tools. Okay, so now what I need is I want this Taj Mahal to be the right side. Okay, and okay, see, I just chosen here, click here. Now we can see, got it? If you want to put it in the right, you can move it. Now I'm able to move. If you want to put it down, you can put it. Clear? And you can just change the position wherever you need. Got it? So let me put it here. See, now it is in the picture is here and the text is here. The image, the news is here. Got it? So this is a way we can wrap the text. We can just put the text uh, around the picture. Okay, maybe the picture may be at the center, and you can just keep the text on both sides, or you can keep the picture to the left side and only the text. Then you can keep the picture at the right side and you can keep the text in the left side. You can make changes like this with the help of Format tab, Arrange group, and actually it is in the latest version, it is text wrapping. Okay, it is text wrapping. In the Windows 7 you can see in the position, you can see in position. Got it? Okay students, this is what called wrapping text. So if it is with the inline with the text, you won't be able to move the picture freely. So if you choose any other option, then you would be able to move it as you like. Fine. Okay students, the next one, it's a background removal tool. We can remove the background of an image. Okay, so I'll show you how to do it. For that, first we need a picture, right? So let me select a picture. For selecting a picture, the very first step is click on the place where you want to insert a picture. So I clicked on here, then go to insert tab, pictures, and take any one picture as you like. Okay, so shall I take this butterfly itself? Right? Okay, let me take flower with butterfly, insert. So this flower with butterfly, it's inserted. So to remove the background, this blue color, I want to remove it. Okay, so to remove this, what you have to do is first to select the picture, go to format tab, and in the adjust group you have a recolor option. Go to recolor icon and you can see the pop-up appears. Okay, and do you see set transparent color option, one option with the name set transparent color? Click here. Now you can see the cursor, it's changed as a pencil brush. Okay, so just to click here, do you see the background, it's removed? Yes, the colorful background, it's removed. Now we can see the white background. This is a way we can remove the background of an image. Got it? And whatever I'm teaching, it's with Microsoft Word 2007. Okay, but in the text it is given Microsoft Word 2013. So whatever I have taught right now, they are similar to 2007 itself. Okay, and if you take this text wrapping, that is has a small change in the 2013 version. Okay, but the procedure is same only. You can see to that. Okay, and this removing the background has a another method. Okay, so that I will try to load a video now. We can see watch it from this video.
Word has a great feature called background removal that can be used to remove parts of your picture, giving it a transparent background. Not only is this a useful tool, it also opens up tons of creative possibilities. Here's how it works. First, make sure the image is selected. Then click the Remove Background command on the Format tab. Don't worry if the picture doesn't look good yet, because we're going to make a few adjustments. The first thing you should do is click and drag the selection handles so the foreground areas are inside the box. Right now, the background areas are highlighted bright pink or magenta, but when we're done, they'll be removed from the image altogether. With some pictures, Word needs a little help deciding which areas to remove and which areas to keep. In this picture, we have a couple problems. Most of the roses and also the stems are being marked as part of the background, so we need to tell Word to keep those areas in the picture. Click Mark Areas to Keep, then click and drag to create a line over the areas you want. As you can see, Word will readjust the image while you work. Now it's including part of the background by accident, so we need to mark this area to remove. That looks better. Go through the image and keep marking areas as needed. If you make a mistake, all you have to do is click Delete Mark, then click the mark you want to remove. At this point, our foreground subjects look good and the entire background is highlighted magenta. Notice that I've left these two roses in the background, which is going to remove them from the image too. This is just another way of using the feature to customize your image. You decide what's part of the background and what's not, so it's completely up to you. When you're ready, you just need to exit the tool. Click the Keep Changes button here, and that's it.
Students, I hope you all understood how to remove the background of the image using Windows 7 and earliest versions and Windows 10 and the latest versions. Got it? Okay. So far we have seen how to add a picture in two ways. Okay. One is from library pictures. Okay. Another one is you can add your own picture which you have drawn in your system. So two ways we have studied how to add pictures. The second thing is how to change the size of the pictures. That is resizing. Okay, you can make it smaller in size or bigger in size. That is the second part we have seen. Then we studied about how to add styles to the picture. Okay, you can just give a frame effect to the picture. You can change the color. Okay, and we can remove the background of the picture, and we can remove the unwanted portion of the picture using a crop tool. All these things we have seen, and how to adjust the brightness and contrast. And this brightness and contrast, okay, which is in Windows 7 and earlier versions, which is given as a brightness and contrast. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, this is a Word document. Okay, so let me take one picture for sample. Okay, so I have taken a picture. Okay, sorry. So if we take a picture here, alright, if you go to Format tab and under the Adjust group, you have a brightness and contrast separately, which is in 2007, Microsoft Word 2007. In Microsoft Word 2010 and the latest version, which will be given as corrections. Which will be given as corrections. The correction has the brightness and contrast together. Both will be included with corrections icon. Only one icon with the name corrections. Got it? Okay. So you can just click and see the changes. You can see how does it looks like, and you can make changes. Got it? So these are the things we have covered. Let's move on to next topic. That is how to add attractive heading to the Word document. How to add attractive heading to the Word document. We are going to study now. Got it? Okay. Let's move on to next video.